Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to program your BMW X5 key fob. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself. First, make sure all your car's doors and windows are fully closed. Then, insert your key into the ignition. You'll need to turn the key to the first position, then back to 0, 5 times in quick succession. After completing these 5 rapid turns, remove the key from the ignition. Now let's activate the key fob. Take the key you just removed and hold down its unlock button. While continuously holding the unlock button, quickly press the BMW logo, which is your lock button, 3 separate times. It's important to do this sequence smoothly. Once you've pressed the lock button 3 times, immediately release the unlock button. This specific button combination sends the programming signal. You'll know the programming was successful when you hear the vehicle doors automatically lock and then unlock. This sound confirms the key fob has been paired. If you have more than one key to program, repeat the exact same button sequence for each additional key within 30 seconds of the first key's successful pairing. Finally, turn on the ignition to complete and save the programming for all your key fobs. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your key fob has a fresh, working battery, typically a CR2032. Precision and speed are key. Make sure you perform each step quickly and accurately. If the programming doesn't work after a few attempts, it might be best to consult a qualified automotive professional. They can provide specialized assistance to get your key fob working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.